I need to have her, yeah, because here's the thing now. I mean, I'm Arsenal, as you see, she's
I
Tottenham.
can see it on your face. Must get away from me.
You see that? You see that?
But I mean, but wonderful. First time you're playing in Jamaica. I mean, not a full stadium, but how playing here with the fans in the stands, making a little bit of noise. How was that for you?
Yeah, I mean, I've heard great things, and obviously I watched the Jamaicans in the World Cup in 2019, and I saw the fans there were amazing, and I've really been looking forward to this camp. So yeah, it's been as expected.
Okay, and what is your take on the game? I mean,
Yeah, I mean, it was a good start for us. I think it was a strong performance, and I think it's what we needed to start our campaign off. So yeah, no, it was a really really good team performance, and I think we looked really strong out there.
you had a little bit, a few hearts probably turning when you got one close to the goal and you beat the forward and you pass it. Is that a normal part of your game in the Premier League in England?
Yeah, I kind of pride myself off of playing out from the back and trying to be like a sweeper. So it's nice that I can bring it into international duty as well.
Well, I want to congratulate you and your team on the victory and hope that on Sunday you can get the win against Grenada
Yeah.
as well. And it is so good seeing a goalkeeper playing it out from the back. Do you know that you had the most completed passes today?
I would hope so.
Is that good that the goalkeeper makes the most, or is that a good thing or a bad thing?
No, it just means the players are obviously utilising the spare player well, and most of my passes are only going right to left, so it's kind of an easy job when the team plays like that. So
All right, congratulations
thank
again.
you.
Right.